give me storage.
And the doors get in the way after these are on, we could also remove these.
Okay.
But I think
Do you have enough height for the hot water tank?
it's tight, but you know, I told those guys where it was.
Okay.
So I'm assuming.
Well, it'd be nice to have the storage.
Yeah, and it's a keeper for there. It doesn't interfere with the light or
Yeah.
anything in here. So
Now we jump into our time machine and go a year and a few months into the future and see the laundry room complete. This single cabinet that we installed was really quite complicated. You'd think it would be easy just to hang a cabinet on the wall, but a couple of things. It was an existing cabinet. We think this house was designed by famous architect Ruth Richmond, and this is kind of some of the leftover, and wanted to have a few things we preserve as we remodel. So this was one of our keepers. There were two up here. Had a lot of problems getting this one down. Had to drill some big holes in it, which I covered when I was reinstalling it. But I had to fit the hot water tank. I had to be able to get the full height of the cabinet in and not have the light interfere so the doors would open. I needed a little bit of room away from the wall, but you can see we wanted to put a full-size stackable washer and dryer in, and it's as tight to the wall that way as it can get because we vented out the side. So you can see it was a dance of very small adjustments to get it in, but it turned out great. After over a year of using it, Chris tells me she loves this. It's right here by the kitchen, and this full-size washer and dryer, the doors open properly to the right side. So you go from washer to dryer. There is the razor light in there, so good brightness. Mahalo.